know what this box means? This box means that it's Christmas and it's time to set up the Christmas tree, and we were gifted this and we can't wait to show you. Check it out. It is a pre-lit, heavy, obviously, because I can't get it out, in one shebang. It has pine cones, it has lights, it's tall, and I'm so excited to get this out. Let me unload this thing out of the box, and then I'll show you how to put it together. Okay, so it comes with this basic stand. Now it has this tightener here, so once you get it in, but this is what I like to do. I like to put our skirt on first, mainly because then I'm not dodging branches that are hitting me in the face and doing all that jazz. So we're gonna get this hooked on, and then I'm gonna show you how to put it on. Now you have your skirt on, then you're gonna take your Christmas tree here. Now look. It says the number. So this one's number 3, and you know it's the one in the base because it has the point. It's going to go right down into your base. Now, it's already doing its job. It's flapping open. I can't even show you at the bottom here, but it does have a little screw that you're going to tighten to make it to where it's not falling from side to side. So get that all tightened up. Now look in here. There is your cord connector. So you're going to connect, the next one has a cord, it connects right into here, and so on and so forth. And then this bad boy here is all ready to plug either into your extension cord or right into your wall. Oh, it has it all hooked in here so it doesn't get all finagled. I love that. They thought of everything. And look how long this cord is. So it's going to be fantastic to be able to reach the plug if that's what you're going for. Okay, now let's get this next one on. Hold on. Now I did remove these caps off the bottom. It's a protective cap. It just goes on the floor. You're just going to do that. You're going to, look, this is a one-woman show. You can do this if your husband isn't home, and you can surprise him that it's going to be Christmas early, even though Thanksgiving hasn't even happened yet. It'll be fine. Not a problem. He won't mind at all. Wait, let me get that last one. I didn't take this off yet. Look, it just unplugs. Look how tiny this one is. It goes right there on the top. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to finish fluffing, plug it in, and show you what it looks like. So once you're finished fluffing, which, by the way, does not take that long. I'm talking, I've been working for about 15 minutes. I still have a few more branches left, but I plugged it in because I couldn't wait to see. Now it does have these pine cones in there. They're attached, which I really like that because we've had some trees in the past where the pine cones are not attached and they just go kind of all over the place. But you're going to want to position the pine cones in the best position for your ornaments and such. But check out how stunning it is. 7.5 feet of absolute glory. It has the frosted effect. It looks real. It feels amazing. So if someone's like touching your tree, I guess, why would they be touching your tree? I don't know. But if they do, they may even question, is this real or is this fake? You may want to hide the little taggies back here, but it tells you how everything attaches perfectly. Once you get them all spread out and your ornaments on, no one's even going to see on the inside of the tree. So if you are in need of a glorious, taller than me tree that's going to give your room that pizzazz that you need for Christmas and surprise your husband when he gets home, this is what I would choose.